Well, this is gonna be fun. Boom. Done. So we are here on a Wednesday evening after dinner. The kids ate dinner and I thought, why not take them to the churro stand? So we're getting a couple of churros for the heck of it. Yeah, this is the mart that we usually go to on Wednesday, but it rained pretty heavily today, so not everything's open and not a lot of people are out. Gabrielle ended up getting a churro and Daniel got this spiral potato fried thing that has cheese on it. Look at his face.
My nose.
You got cheesy nose. He's super funny. What's up?
I like churros.
You like churros or do you love churros?
I like churros.
Do you love churros? What do you love more, churros or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Yeah, I knew that. What do you love more, chocolate or mommy?
Mommy.
It wasn't an immediate answer. She's like, being recorded. Swimming day, Thursday swimming day. It is not here yet. We walk them out to the front of our building where they actually pick them up in a bus, or a van. And then I drive to his class to just watch him a little bit. Okay. 안녕하세요.
I'm going now in the Daniel swimming class.
You want to go to Daniel's swimming class? Do you want a banana?
A banana. Okay. Banana.
Okay. Yo, yo, chi, chi, bang, bang. Just picked up Gabrielle.
Hi.
So tell people what we're doing.
Hi. Hi. We're going to the park. We're going to the department store and buy something. So, Mommy and Gabriel hide. Where was it, vegetables? Where was it? Did you see it?
Did you go down the slide? When?
I see my umbrella.
Oh yeah, me too. Good morning on this beautiful Monday morning in South Korea.
Hi.
He found his mother's winter gloves in the shoe area and he chose to wear them today to school, and I had to tell him, do not lose them because mommy will not be happy, and he's like, yeah, okay. Stop doing that. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and if you hadn't already, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed today's family fun video, hit that like button. And remember, everyone, you guys are doing your best.